We got a 2023 Yukon Denali. It's got a Borla ProXS system on it right now with resonators. This is what it sounds like before. Our good friends at Holly sent us the new Flowmaster FX cab back. We're gonna install it on this one and see if it makes a huge difference. It's supposed to guarantee no drone. Rev it one more time. It is the 6.2 Denali again. So that's what it sounds like before, guys. All right, guys, stay tuned. That's a nice drive off. That's before with the Borla ProXS. All right, guys, so we got a 2023 Yukon GMC Denali 6.2 liter, and our good friends at Flowmaster sent us this part number 718216. They just came out with these for the 21 to 26 Tahoe, Suburban, Yukon XL catback system for 6.2 liter engines. Full stainless steel system. We took it out of the box. That was a part number. We'll have a link in the description. It comes with these black staggered 4-inch tips, double wall, and a full stainless steel system, 2.5, as you guys can see. The whole system is bolt-on. There is the Flow FX muffler that's guaranteed not to drone and give a really aggressive tone. And then there's the center section where it goes there, and it eliminates the valve too. It's a 3.5-inch pipe right there. And then it comes with all these clamps and all these goodies to clamp everything in place. So we're gonna take all this Borla ProXS off with the stock resonators that I let you guys hear earlier. We're gonna replace it with the Flowmaster Flow FX no drone technology guaranteed system. It looks like it's finished nicely. It's really clean. So let's see how it fits. We'll let you guys know. What'd you guys come up with? Does it need to be cut? So there's the instruction, guys.
That tube is required for installation on some vehicles. Yeah, I'm assuming this is the short wheelbase.
Yes.
Yeah, which means it has to be trimmed.
So for the short wheelbase Tahoes on with this kit, that it needs to be cut. Cutting may be required. Depending on the wheelbase of your vehicle, you may have to trim the Flowmaster exhaust to fitment. So that's one thing. But we're a shop, so we'll make it fit. But yeah, you see how much you have to cut it back? Because there's no clearance here, so we have to cut it back. We're going to see in the directions if it says anywhere how much we have to cut it back. All right, stay tuned. It says for the Yukon short wheelbase, which this car is, trim 13.25 inches from end of 3.5 muffler inlet pipe. And then and it shows right here. That's how much we have to trim. And then we have to trim the tailpipes too. So we have to trim both. Yep, there we go. All right, now we know. We'll measure and cut. Stay tuned. All right, guys, check it out. 2023 Yukon Denali 6.2 liter. Check it out. Nice black on black, all murdered out. Let me show you guys what we've done. Cat there, wise into a single. Holly sent us this kit over. Part numbers right there. Full catback system. Starts right there at this clamp. You reuse this clamp and then everything else becomes new. It wasn't that hard to put on. We didn't have too much issue. There it is. It's a 3.5-inch pipe right there. Goes into a Flow FX muffler. Here's the part number. It's part of the kit right there. Comes in that kit that I was telling you guys about. They just came out with it, sent it to us, said, test it out for us. Tell us what you guys think. So that's what we did. So we're going to test it for them right there. So there's the Flow FX, and it comes with this little hanger there for different applications because it fits 21 to 26 Yukons, Tahoe, Suburbans, Yukon XLs. We even had to trim some of the pipe here to make it fit that. And it says that in the directions of it. Quality. I like the quality. It's all polished stainless steel. There's the tailpipes. It was a little bit hard to get the tailpipes over, but we got them. We did have a little issue with the tips. We had to tack them because they would not tighten up all the way for some reason. But there it is. Other than that, it looks really nice and clean. Nice black polished tips. There's the clamp there. And it fit clearly and comfortably. So everything clears, everything fits. All the bends are good. We didn't have any issues. And there it is out the back. I love the look of the new tips on it. They look really nice and clean, as you guys can see right there. Nice and tucked. Just a good looking tip style there and there. All right, double wall stainless steel black chrome. There's the old system that we cut off. We let you guys hear it before. Had the resonators there, the tailpipes, the intermediate pipe, and the Borla muffler. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. All right, guys, here we go. 2023 GMC Yukon Denali with the Flowmaster FX system that's supposed to increase 15 horsepower, 17 foot-pounds of torque, and it's supposed to have no drone. So let's see. Here's first startup. Go ahead. It's got a beefy sound to it. Nothing crazy. I like the embroidered Flowmaster on top. I like that. And you can tuck these tips out or in. We like them tucked in like this. Just clean. Just gives it a nice, clean overall look. Give it gas. Wow, that is throaty. What do you think of that sound? Again? Yeah, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Again? Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 97.4. So if you want a commuter series, not crazy loud, but just a nice, deep, beefy sound, Flowmaster FX is the way to go. They just came out with this. So it shows you, they came out with it for the 21 to 26. Here's the part numbers. It fits all 6.2 liter engines, the Tahoe, Suburbans, Yukons, and Yukon XLs. And I'm pretty sure they have them for trucks too. Again. Clean. All right, go ahead and back it up. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Here we go. Back to the action we go. Nice clean stance on the side. That's a clean black chrome tips. They look good. They picked a good choice for the tips too. Yukon Denali 6.2 liter with the Flowmaster FX catback. Clean idle. You guys barely hear them idle. That's all the manufacturing smoke burning off when they did the manufacturing oils. Let you guys hear on the inside. This is inside. Here we go. Sounds pretty good. I cannot lie. I like that sound inside. All right, guys, we're going for a drive. You guys ready? Here we go. Wow, it is very quiet inside. Very surprisingly quiet. the freeway now and see what happens. You guys just pay attention to the sound. Hey, if you want to check out Nashville, this is what Nashville looks like. This is Briley Parkway, right up the street from us. I do feel a difference a little bit in power too. And absolutely no drone, they were right. With the resonators off and everything, that's a crazy factory system. So it's just got a muffler on it and they perfected it. Flowmaster, we gotta hand it to you. They sound good. It sounds really nice. No drone whatsoever inside for coasting. So this is freeway driving. So it's quiet at coasting. That's where usually all the drone happens, is about 70, 65, 70. Let's see if it does it any when we slow down a little bit. Nothing. So I'm gonna get on it. Still perfect. It's 87. Nothing. Hear the wind more than the exhaust. That's perfect. And it sounds clean outside too. It's perfect for somebody who doesn't want a crazy amount of sound, just a clean, deep tone. This is the right setup for it. But if people want more throatiness and loudness, this is not the one. It's too quiet inside and outside. So it stayed under 100 decibels too. There's literally no sound up here. It's all back there. You can hear a little bit back there, but nothing crazy. All right, guys, that was the test. All right, here we go. GMC Yukon drive off. You guys ready to hear it drive off? With the FlowFX system. Part number 718216. Catback system. Supposed to guarantee no drone and guarantee 15 horsepower, 17 to 19 foot-pounds of torque. Not bad at all. What do you guys think? It's clean. No rasp whatsoever. It's just a deep, clean tone. He's gonna do a drive-by next. We'll show you guys that next. Stay tuned. That ain't bad at all. It sounds clean. Thanks for watching, Exhaust Addicts. And if you'd like, order this Flowmaster FlowFX Catback Kit for your vehicle by clicking the link in the description below.